Want to know why your garden isn't thriving? It's probably not the plants you chose. It's not even how often you water. The real reason most gardens fail is right under your feet. Most people focus on the leaves, the flowers, and the fruits, but they completely ignore the foundation of everything, the soil. If your vegetables are small, your harvest is weak, or your plants constantly seem to struggle, the solution is not another bottle of fertilizer. It's transforming your dirt into healthy, living soil. Healthy garden soil is the single most important factor in sustainable gardening. And once you understand this, everything changes. Now, why does this matter so much today? With unpredictable weather, stronger heat waves, and longer dry seasons, healthy soil is your garden's best defense. Good soil acts like a sponge. It holds water longer, reduces how often you need to irrigate, and protects plant roots from extreme temperatures. And let's be honest, with rising food prices globally, growing your own food is no longer just a hobby. It's a smart, sustainable decision. But none of it works without healthy soil. So let's reset the way we think about this. Soil is not just dirt. It's a living ecosystem. In a single handful of healthy soil, there are literally billions of microorganisms all working together to feed, protect, and support your plants. Once you understand this, you stop gardening harder and you start gardening smarter. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven secrets to building healthy soil naturally, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get into it. Secret number 1, soil is alive. Healthy soil is absolutely full of life. Bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and countless microbes you can't even see. These organisms are your underground workforce. They break down organic matter, unlock nutrients for your plants, improve the soil structure, and even protect plants from disease. The biggest beginner mistake is treating soil like dead dirt. Harsh chemical fertilizers and pesticides might give you quick results, but they destroy the very life that makes your soil healthy in the first place. Instead, think of yourself as a microbe farmer. Your job is to create the right conditions for all that soil life to thrive. That means adding compost, keeping the soil covered with mulch, and avoiding unnecessary chemicals. Nurture the life in your soil, and it will nurture your plants. This brings us to secret number 2. Organic matter is everything. Organic matter is the backbone of healthy soil. This includes things like compost, dry leaves, grass clippings, and even kitchen scraps. Organic matter is the food for all those soil organisms we just talked about. It also improves drainage in heavy clay soil, helps sandy soil hold moisture, and supplies a slow, steady stream of nutrients over time. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They rely only on synthetic fertilizers. That's like feeding your plants a diet of pure sugar instead of a balanced meal. You might get a quick burst of growth, but it often leads to weak roots and poor long-term soil health. The real power is in building the soil itself with organic matter. If you're new to composting and want to get started, I'll leave a link to a simple beginner compost guide down in the description. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your soil naturally. Secret number 3, water retention beats frequent watering. Healthy soil doesn't need to be watered constantly. When your soil is rich in organic matter, it acts like a sponge, holding moisture for much longer. This encourages plant roots to grow deeper and stronger, making them more resilient to drought. A really common mistake is shallow, daily watering. This actually trains your plants to have shallow roots and become dependent on you for their next drink. To improve your soil's water retention, you need to do 2 things. First, add compost regularly. Second, and this is crucial, cover your soil with mulch. You can use straw, wood chips, shredded leaves, whatever you have. Mulch protects the soil from the sun, feeds the microbes as it breaks down, and drastically reduces water evaporation. This is one of the most powerful sustainable gardening practices you can adopt. Less work for you, healthier plants. Next up, secret number 4 is to disturb the soil as little as possible. For years, gardeners were taught to dig and till their gardens every single season. But we now know that heavy digging can be destructive. It breaks up the delicate fungal networks that help transport nutrients. It can kill earthworms, and it releases stored carbon from the soil into the atmosphere. Healthy soil really thrives when it's left mostly undisturbed. Instead of digging everything up, try practicing no-dig or low-dig gardening. You can simply add layers of compost and mulch right on top of the soil surface. The worms and microbes will do the mixing for you, pulling that organic matter down into the soil. When it's time to plant, just dig a hole big enough for the plant itself. It's less effort for you, and so much better for your garden's ecosystem. And finally, secret number 5. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Feed the soil, not the plant. When you focus on feeding the soil in turn feeds your plants, slowly, steadily, and naturally. Chasing every yellow leaf with a shot of liquid fertilizer often leads to overfeeding, which can cause weak, sappy growth and even damage the delicate life in your soil. Instead of reacting to problems, be proactive. Top dress your garden beds with compost. Use organic mulch that will break down over time. If you want, you can occasionally use a compost tea to give the soil a boost of beneficial microbes. A healthy soil is self-regulating. Once it's established, it provides exactly what your plants need when they need it. So, how do you apply all this without feeling overwhelmed? Let's break it down into a simple routine. On a weekly basis, just add your kitchen scraps to your compost pile. And take a moment to observe your soil. Look for worms, feel its texture, and check its moisture. On a monthly basis, you can top dress your plants with a little bit of compost and refresh any mulch that's breaking down. Check how well your soil is holding water after a rain. And then seasonally, focus on adding a good layer of organic matter to your beds. Continue to avoid any deep digging, and try to let the soil rest between major crops if you can. This slow, consistent rhythm builds incredible soil health naturally, without a bunch of expensive products. Imagine your garden 1 year from now. Stronger plants with deeper roots, bigger, better harvests, less watering and less effort. That's not luck. That's the power of healthy soil. You're not just growing plants, you're building an entire ecosystem right in your backyard. Start today. Just pick one of these secrets and apply it. Even the smallest step creates momentum. If this video helped you rethink your garden, please subscribe for more sustainable gardening and soil health tips. I'd love to know, which soil secret are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.